Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a Feel Unique pick and mix unboxing. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. I post videos all about makeup and beauty. If you like what you see here today, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave, but why don't we get started? In case you're not aware of what this service is, it is a sample service offered by the website Feel Unique. Once a month you can go on and choose 5 different samples from an array of different samples. They have hair care, skincare and also a bit of makeup. The cost of these samples is just the cost of shipping, which is £3.95. But once you do get your email confirming dispatch of your samples, we'll actually get a gift voucher in reimbursement of the £3.95, which you can spend on anything on the Feel Unique website. So that is the pick and mix service that they do have available. They do also have a beauty box on their website now, which kind of works like a monthly subscription. That one is a little bit more pricey, but with that you do tend to get deluxe size samples or travel size minis, whereas this pick and mix tends to be more sachets and things like that. So that is everything about these services offered by Feel Unique. This is a service that I did order from every single month on Feel Unique and did do unboxings of on my channel, but it has been a good few months since I've ordered anything. The good thing about that is they definitely have had a refresh of their samples and there was plenty for me to choose from. The way I normally do these videos is I first of all go over the samples that I've tried in the previous month, but because I think I've already discussed those samples in forms of empties and favourites and things on my channel, I don't think I need to go over them again today. Plus it is quite some time since I picked up those samples that they're probably no longer available on the service anyway. So for today I'm just going to be showing you the 5 samples that I've chosen this month and also giving you a rough estimate of the value of those samples. Not that value matters because the point of this service is to kind of try before you buy, but I'm always curious as to how much value you can get out of the service, so I do work out the value of each of the samples that I receive. So the first thing that I chose is this item from Colorstar. This is the High Definition Slimming Cream, which reduces, reshapes and firms. I have tried something from this brand in the past. I believe it was a body scrub, which I did really enjoy, so thought I would try something like this. In case you are not aware, I have had a baby recently, so something like this sounds really good because I feel like I do need a bit of reshaping and refirming and a bit of slimming. I know it doesn't matter what I look like and things like that. All that matters is that I'm healthy and my baby is healthy. But I do have a wedding coming up, and whilst shapewear can work wonders, there's only so much it can do, so I'm kind of going with the every little helps route. This says it is a high definition treatment which combines effectiveness and a pleasant texture, which is easy to massage. Multi-active formula, slimming, firming and perfecting thanks to the highly original combination of 2 substances used for the first time ever in a body treatment. Italian spirulina alga, which selected in collaboration with the University of Siena, and Ganoderma even, lucidum, together with lipolytic and draining active ingredients, vitamins and soft focus powders that have a filler effect, leaving the skin looking instantly smooth, even and perfect. Results are a redesigned figure, reduced bulges and localized adipose deposits, whatever that is, a smooth toned body, firm compact skin and skin imperfections minimized. I don't quite understand how a cream can do all that, but because this is obviously only a small sample, I am going to just predominantly focus this on the kind of mum tum pouch loose skin that's been left and see. It might be a miracle worker. If so, I will definitely be buying a full size. This is 8 ml of product, which hopefully is going to be enough for me to see results, if any. It doesn't sort of promise results after 2 weeks or anything like that. It doesn't say. I might have to look a bit more into that to see if it does say how long it'll take to show results, or it is one of those kind of products that you keep applying thinking it'll start working soon and it just doesn't. We will see. So value wise for this one, the full size is 400 ml of product, which is £64.40. So I work out that this 8 ml is worth £1.29. So the full size is obviously quite pricey, but if this product does work wonders, even just to give me a bit of self-confidence, that kind of £65 might be worth it. Next I chose a couple of samples from the same brand. These are from Natura Siberica, which is an Estonian brand. So they do have quite a few of these samples on the website at the moment, and I think they have different scents and different claims and things, but I went for 2 from the same line, which is the Anti-Ox Wild Blueberry. This one here is a cream to foam facial cleanser, and this one is the Awakening Day Face Cream with SPF 20. I'll talk about the cleanser first. The cleanser that I'm currently using is from the brand, I think it's Frudia, and that is a blueberry cleanser, and I absolutely love the scent of it and I really enjoy using it. But that is a product that I did purchase from Yes Style, so I thought save me having to order from kind of a K-beauty site. If I can get something that I enjoy from a UK site, even better. And also this is a product that is quite affordable. So this says it does contain organic volcanic blueberry hydrolate, hyaluronic acid and allantoin, whatever that is. And then on the back it says this creamy foam gently removes dirt and makeup from the skin, deeply moisturising, soothing and evening out of complexion. Massage into wet skin until a soft foam has formed. So that sounds really good, and say I do love things that are blueberry scented. Like I say, this is quite an affordable product. The full size of this is 100ml for £7.99. So I work out that this sample is worth 48p. So excited to give this one a go. And the other product, which is the day cream, this one includes the same organic volcanic blueberry, hyaluronic acid, but this one includes niacinamide B3. And on the back this says, this cream designed especially for big city living deeply moisturises your skin, leaving it supple and radiant and minimising stressful environment factors. SPF 20 protects your skin from both UVA and UVB rays, ideal for everyday use. So again, sounds really good. I've been definitely trying to get better at applying both day creams and SPF. The fact that this is combined in one is great, although SPF 20 is not the highest. SPF 50 would obviously be better. This is a good start. And again, blueberry, hoping it smells like that. The full size is 50ml for £9.99. So I work out that this sample is worth £1.20. Then I ordered this shampoo from Way. This is the detox shampoo for all hair types. I don't believe I've tried this specific product before, but I do think I've tried another shampoo and conditioner from Way and I did quite like them. But I've tried that many products, I just can't remember. So this one is supposed to be really good for if you use a lot of dry shampoo. Whilst I don't use as much as I used to, I am reaching for it more and more because I'm getting less chance to wash my hair with having a newborn baby. So there is probably going to be a little bit of build up in my hair. So this one says, been on a dry shampoo binge, time for a detox. This concentrated shampoo with apple cider vinegar will deeply cleanse away dirt, oil and impurities. It also removes build-up from styling products or hard water deposits, leaving hair feeling refreshed and super clean. Here's your fresh start. See you next week. So I think this kind of product is something that you use once a week. For me personally, I only wash my hair twice a week normally, so I probably wouldn't need to do this once a week. Probably once a fortnight would probably be enough for this. Yeah, excited to give this one a go, and I have heard great things generally about the brand Way. So the full size of this is 300ml for £24, so I work out that this sample is worth 80p. And then the final sample I ordered is from the brand Star Skin. This is the Pink Cactus Pudding Hydrate and Glow All Day. This is a product that has been on the samples list for a long time, but I've just never got around to picking it up because there's always been something else I wanted to try. But it did jump out at me this time, so I thought I would give it a go. There's only 3ml of product, so there is only going to be a couple of uses in here, but I can still see what it's like. It does say a luscious, silky soft pudding, concentrate of highly nutritive prickly pear cactus seed oil, thirst quenching cactus extracts and smoothing hyaluronic acid for an addictive long lasting glow. It does say can be used AM or PM, can work well under makeup, and it says to multiply the hydrating effects, use with a serum mist. So it says it is 73% cactus based and 99.3% natural. So sounds quite good. I'm intrigued as to what it's going to smell like because I'm not too sure what cactuses smell like, or if it's just going to be unscented. With it being natural, I'm not too sure, but we'll see. Full size of this is 50ml for £40. Like I said, this is just a 3ml sample, so I work out that this is worth £2.40. So just to recap, these are all 5 samples that I've chosen from this month's Feel Unique Pick and Mix samples. I have totted up the total value and it comes to £6.17. So that is obviously more than the £3.95 that I've put into the service, which again I'm getting back in the form of a gift voucher anyway. Not that the value matters, but I am always curious. There have been times in the past where just ordering sachets and things from this service, I've got up to £15 worth of value. It is just kind of luck of the draw if that's what you're trying to do from the service. But for me personally, it's just a great way to try things before I buy. So that is everything for my Feel Unique Pick and Mix unboxing, and that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.